Today's video is going to be a brand new makeup tutorial, but this ain't just any makeup tutorial. This is a special makeup tutorial featuring the lovely deck of Scarlet. So I literally haven't even unboxed this yet, but don't worry you guys, I'm very familiar with Deck of Scarlet and I love Deck of Scarlet. For only $29.95 every other month, you will be getting everything you need to complete a full face of makeup. Okay, so that's less than the cost of a typical product at Sephora. And like any product there, honestly, $29.95 is so affordable for like high-end quality products, and you're gonna have everything that you need for your makeup. Everything about it is so clean. Deck of Scarlet is such good quality, just the packaging itself. I'll have the link down below at the top of the fold to get 30% off. And if you are a first-time subscriber, you can pick any palette you want. So if you don't like the colors in this one, but I dig the colors in and it also comes with the first ever Deck of Scarlet lip gloss. Let's just start using all of the products. The palette comes with a highlighter. We have a blush shade, 2 lipsticks, as well as eyeshadows. Let's just get into it. I'm super excited. Beautiful. I will have this palette in particular linked down below for 30% off. So it will only be $21 for your first Deck of Scarlet palette. I say it's a deal. So this is just going to be another extremely natural makeup tutorial. I really see the colors in this palette and they look really pretty. I feel like I can create a really pretty natural makeup look, so that is what I'm going to do today. I'm gonna start with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I use this as a base even on my eyelids for those colors as well. We're just going to now do the foundation though, which I'm running low on. I love my Fenty Beauty, y'all. I don't play, okay? We're using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, which I'm going to need some more of, and a damp beauty sponge. We're gonna apply this all over. Alright, so from there, I'm going to move straight to eyes. So I just double up my foundation as an eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to now take this fluffy crease brush. I'm also going to set, let's see, a little bit with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder so our shadows stay smooth and everything. I just always do this step. To take the Deck of Scarlet palette, and I'm going in with the color Myth from the palette, and it's kind of like a light brown, super neutral on my skin complexion. Literally, this is the perfect palette to create a natural look, but it's also a perfect palette to create a dramatic look because they have different lipsticks to work with and all of that. But I'm loving how this color is looking in my crease. Super nice and pigmented, exactly how I want it to be. I'm gonna work it into the other crease. And I'm going to take the color Enchanted. They did really well with these colors in this palette. I love how they all work, and oh my gosh. That pigment is crazy. Oh my gosh. I already knew Deck of Scarlet was great, or I wouldn't have even shared it with you guys because I've worked with them before and like have had their palettes before. So y'all see it? Amazing. Wow. I really love it, you guys. This is my first time using this new palette, but I've used their other ones. And this is great. Okay, I see you, Deck of Scarlet. So from there, I'm going to put on some eyelashes. just to get that step over with. Here are the eyelashes I'm going to put on. These are the Demi Wispies by Ardell. I do apply my eyelashes with the Duo eyelash adhesive. We're going to double up the Fenty Beauty Foundation as a concealer. It is such a lightweight foundation, and I love how it looks even when I wear it when it's hot outside. It gives me a really nice finish, and you know, it's really warm in summer, so this is a good foundation if you still want to have like a coverage foundation in the summertime or in the heat without it like literally melting off your face, even though it might feel like it. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go in with my contour stick. This is in the color Truffle. It's the Match Stick by Fenty Beauty. So now we're going to set underneath our eyes with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Going into my Anastasia contour kit in medium to tan, I'm going to take the light shades, which are like highlighter shades, and put that underneath my eyes just to set that Laura Mercier translucent powder with some color. All right, so I'm going to go in and contour with this color that hit pan. The only thing that ain't natural is that contour. We don't care. We just want to have popping cheeks, okay? We do not care. We just want to have some popping cheeks, okay? All right. And now we're going to go in with some of the blusher from the Deck of Scarlet palette. It's called Tiara because everybody and we are all queens. Okay, let's get it. So it's a very pinky color. Let's see how it applies on me. And this is one of them colors that can work on a lighter skin tone too. But this looks amazing on my skin tone. Now we're going to use, this blush is beautiful. And I love how matte it is. So to fill in my brows, I'm going in with the Anastasia Chocolate Brow Powder Duo. Brows done. All right, so now we're going into our Deck of Scarlet palettes again, and we're going to wrap it up with just some highlighter. This Fairy Dust, it says highlighter, and this looks like the exact type of highlighters that I like to use. So, yes. Perfection. Guys, this highlighter is pigmented. You better, my highlight. I'm beaming. You ain't never gonna see me again, cause my highlight is coming off my skin. Ooh, okay. Okay, I like that. All right, let's do the nose highlight now. Talk about fairy dust. This is the perfect name for this highlighter. And I always put it down the middle of like here. With some setting spray, we're gonna use the Urban Decay D-Slick setting spray. Then right on top of that, I'm gonna spray some rose water to make it look more natural. I don't even know where that spray went, literally. In my entire hair. And then a girl had to grab her earrings real quick, you guys, because a look ain't nothing without the earrings, okay? So I'm about to put these in. Kim. Oh my gosh, guys, I just took a look at this card. So here's Kim from the deck of Scarlet palette. Look how cute she is. Yes, if you guys know her, let me know in the comments. Oh, grr. Oh, grr. Oh, grr. Oh, grr. Oh, grr. All right, so let's put on this Cork lip liner by MAC. Is anyone else wondering when I'm gonna put on mascara? Because that's the next step. Okay. Let's just do that before I do the lipstick, because for some reason I skipped that. I normally put on mascara, then lips. Lips is like the cherry on top, you know? All right, so for lips, let's see. I'm going to use the lipstick in here just to try it, and this is the lipstick color Kiss. And I'm just gonna dip it with my finger. Perfect nude, looks great with Cork. I'm gonna go in with the lip gloss just because it's so sparkly and pretty and we just need to see what it looks like. And this is called Love Spell. Oh my gosh. Yes. Smells really good too. Smells like sugar, literally. Oh my gosh. Nailed it. And it looks so good with that lip color Kiss. And this is the results, y'all. All right, you guys, so I hope that this helped you guys out. If you are new to my YouTube channel from this, be sure to click the subscribe button. Also, check out the top of the description box and get yourself this deck of Scarlet palette. You will love it. You can use it every day for all of your looks. Thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Sativa so strong, I'm not blinking. What in the world was I thinking? New day, new money to be made. New things for them to imitate. Black Barbie, pretty face, perfect body.